Hi guys, and welcome to the bakery, and today we're going to be making white sourdough with mixed seeds. And we'll get on with the video. And guys, and for the sourdough seedy bread, we've got a pound of wholemeal flour, a pound of white flour, 20 ounces of water, half an ounce of salt, an ounce of olive oil, and a pound of sourdough starter, and 4 ounces of fine seeds. Right, first job, put the bowl on, put a hole in the middle. A little well, pop the water in. Put the little hook on. And first speed. Right, add in salt. Now we're adding the starter. Now that wants 10 minutes. But in that 10 minutes, just check it that it wants to be softer than the normal dough, because you're going to be putting seeds into it. Right, scrape him down a minute. Getting down. Now I'm going to knock it onto second speed for 1 minute. That's ready now, I think. And we'll do a little test. Grab hold some. Oh, it's better if you get a bit of water on your hands. There you go, that's a lot better. See? And basically see through it, so it's nice. That's ready. Now we'll put it into a pot. Get your look out first. Better if you've got a bit of water on your hands, it helps. Right, and now we'll put into that. Put on the table for a minute. Okay. Take a pound out. Now we're going to keep that back for a dough starter, a sourdough starter. So plonk that in there. Right, and the rest of this goes into the machine bowl with the seeds. Go in, seeds. First speed. And that'll stay in the pot for 24 hours. We'll put the lid on and we'll put them in a warm place. now time to knock back the seeded sourdough. A bit of water on your hands and then just turn her over gently. Almost like making a loaf, being gentle. Well, we'll leave that there for about an hour to 2 hours. Right guys, sourdough seedy bread. Onto the table. Now we're going to flour the pots. What I've got is these little pots like this. Because these are going to be the tops. Inside we're going to be putting seeds. Alright, so the seeds going in there. So the base. With a bit of luck they stick. Right, now we're going to mould them up. Gently to it. Put them in the pots. Semolina on the bottom. And then what we'll just do, we'll cover these up. And now we'll cover these up. And then put some plastic over the top. Like that. And they'll probably take about an hour to 2 hours to proof. Guys, preset your oven at around about 450, and as you can hear, that sounds really healthy. Right, we'll uncover the sourdough. Oh yes, just ready. Right, we've put some semolina on the trays, and now we're going to gently turn them over. Like that. Take that off. Right, and now we're going to attempt to bake them. Right guys, I'm going to put a tray of water in the bottom of the oven. like this. And then we're going to put our bread in. Yash! Two in the top. Yash! Trays were hot. And that one in there. As you can see, I don't use this oven very often. Right, and we'll leave the bread in there now for, it's going to be 35 minutes at least. It is actually as high as it'll go, which is, well, it says on the dial, 220, 220, whatever that is in English. So I think that's probably around about 425, 450-ish. Anyway, we'll see in a bit. Look at that, guys. Probably in this oven, another 15 minutes looking at it. See in a bit. Right, guys, now it's the time to tell whether it's successful or not. Well, let's have a look. I did turn the oven off 15 minutes ago, so she's in a low coming down oven. Mind you, she had a job to get going in the first place, harking it. Anyway, let's have a look. With no ado. Ta-da! Now that is a scrummy loaf, I must say. Yeah. That looks scrummy. Yeah, that looks absolutely lush. Hi guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Do subscribe and do share. There are links below the video to help you find the products you're looking for, if you're looking for this type of thing. Also, not forgetting my playlists that I've actually put on, and also to thank the guys down at Shipton Mill for their wonderful flour. And I'm sure I'm going to be using their products along the way, because actually it's turned out a really good loaf of bread, I must say. There is other flour companies out there that obviously do flour as well. Whether as good as Shipton Mill or not, I don't know, but I will find out and I will let you know, because we're going to do a video on every product. Bound to be something out there for everybody. Anyway, we'll see you again in the next video. Laters!